is our Professional of the Year. And again, no short list for this because this was all written in. And this was sponsored by Sodexo, and I'd like to invite up Jan Gontard to give this award away. Jan, come join us on stage. Jan, welcome. This means you didn't win Professional of the Year, sorry, but yeah.
Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to share with you that I'm delighted tonight because France has made it to the second part of the World Cup. Too early.
We haven't put it up yet.
Applause for France, of course.
Yeah.
So the Professional of the Year, I'm afraid is not here tonight. Panattoni Europe, Marek, Forynski.
It was good. Marek was actually here in the morning doing the conference, so he definitely came for that.
Yeah. So on behalf of Marek, I would like to thank you very much for this award. For me personally, it's a great pleasure to cooperate on an everyday basis with Marek. In case he would be here, he would probably say that he's surprised. I'm not surprised at all. And congratulations for him.
So, great.
Thank you.
We hope you'll feel better soon, and congratulations. Jan, thank you for helping us hand out this award and sponsoring this one as well. And Mariusz, also thank you very much for all the great wine and all the great wine to come tonight.